Ayan guys, waiting. So dito tayo sa sa Mayfu. Sa Mayfu tayo guys, sobrang habang ayan. So paparating na yung ating train. So nagandaligaw-ligaw ako guys kasi di ko alam kung saan banda yun.
The train to Wukaisha is arriving. Please let passengers exit first. 請小心列車與月台間之空隙。請小心列車與月台之間的空隙。Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So ang layo pala. So going to Mayfu yung ayan kulong tong. So ito na yung diamond